A very good evening to all my students. Today, I would like to demonstrate the reasoning models by ChatGPT. So I thought of doing some coding. So actually, I've done it just now, today. It's a random walk demonstration. So what I have done is I have asked them to write the Python code to do some animated random walk. For those of you who have done derivatives option with me, so we know that we use the random walk as the formula to mimic the change in the price and therefore to obtain the theoretical price of the options. So let us look at how about this one? This one I have written 2D plane, write a Python code to demonstrate an animated random walk in a 2D plane. So I've done it earlier. So, but I have not. Let me try the. Let me just copy this. Okay. And where is it? Sorry. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I have formed a folder random walk, but I have not done the file yet. So I need to done the. So let's say I call the file random walk. Okay. So let's say this is the one random walk, and I just copy and paste the code just now I've gotten. So hopefully it works. Can I do no? Okay. I hope I have all the libraries are there. Let's try out. Hope there's no app. Oh yes, yes. So this is a 2D or two-dimensional plane. So it seems to be working quite okay. The Yep, it look good. All right. So it basically a random walk as they move left and right. Basically, there are four directions. All right. So the other one I did was 3D. So let's say I do the 3D one. Copy all, cancel. All right. Not sure whether this work, but we can try. It works. All right. So this is a 3D plane of random walk. That means how many direction would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 direction. There should be 6 direction altogether. So look pretty cool. And it's animated. So actually I have no idea what does all the codes mean. All right. So that is the issue with but anyway, that's for fun of it. All right. How about I did one is 4 dimension. Does it work? So I have no idea. Later I may try 5 dimension whatsoever. So let's say this one. Okay, so maybe should I save it first? Then I run it. Oh, okay, one more dimension is the color. I see. So it look good, right? So it disappear. But anyway, just now it seems to be working. All right. So with another dimension, which is the color, you can see the changes. I'll try one more time. Yes, that is look good. Okay. But the color seems to be only in the very low level. color itself, not the higher value. As you can see, the coloring. But anyway, that is just for the fun of it. So, is it possible for 5 dimension? I have no idea. I've never tried this. Okay, how about 5D? So, where is it? Okay, how about here? I copied. So I will put 5D. Yes. Does it work? I have no idea what that really means. But I'm using the O3 mini high to represent, figure how to map out potential move. So reasoning model is that they were actually verified the things for you. I have no idea what is this, but anyway, we can have a look at that. It may not work, but it is a good attempt. Okay, let's. Okay, okay, let's go. 5 dimension marker size. Oh, okay, good point. Other than the color, we have the marker size, which is the size of the point itself. So other than the color, we also have others. I think I know why it's so dark, because it's a combination of all the colors. When they mix together, actually, is it possible to make it the spacing can be wider. The size itself, but I'm not sure what does all this mean. But anyway, it's pretty fun. Right? Okay, class, thank you so much for your time. I will come back with more interesting tests on this large language model. All right, good night for now.